Singapore is one of the fastest countries in the world to process work permits, and in many cases, approval can come within 7 working days once everything is correctly submitted. In this video, I will explain who can apply, the types of Singapore work permits available in 2026, the jobs employers are hiring for, and the exact step-by-step process you need to follow to work legally in Singapore. Make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss important details that many people get wrong. Singapore depends heavily on foreign workers to support its economy. Local manpower alone is not enough, especially in labor-intensive and technical sectors. To address this, the Singapore government continues to issue work permits and passes to qualified foreign workers through employer sponsorship. The key thing to understand is this: you cannot apply for a Singapore work permit on your own. An employer in Singapore must offer you a job and apply on your behalf. Types of work visas. Singapore does not use one single work visa. There are different categories depending on skill level and salary. 1. Work Permit, WP. This is for semi-skilled or entry-level workers. Common sectors: construction, manufacturing, marine and shipyard, cleaning services, process and factory work. This permit usually does not require IELTS. 2. S-Pass. This is for mid-skilled workers. Common roles: technicians, supervisors, IT support, engineering assistants. Some employers may require basic English, but IELTS is not officially mandatory. 3. Employment Pass, EP. This is for professionals and degree holders. Common roles: IT professionals, engineers, finance and business professionals. Higher salary and stricter requirements apply here. Jobs commonly sponsored in Singapore. Singapore employers frequently sponsor foreign workers for roles such as construction workers, factory and production workers, warehouse assistants, cleaners and facility workers, technicians, IT support roles, engineers. Demand depends on the sector and company quota. Step by step, how the Singapore work permit process works. Step 1. Get a job offer from a Singapore employer. You must first secure a job from a company registered in Singapore. Only the employer can apply for your work permit. Use the following Singapore job websites: MyCareersFuture.gov.sg. This is Singapore's official government job portal. Many employers hiring foreigners post jobs here, especially for EP and S-Pass roles. JobsDB.com.sg. Popular for construction, hospitality, logistics, IT, engineering, and technician roles. Some employers indicate work pass support. FastJobs.sg. Commonly used for service, warehouse, cleaning, and hospitality jobs. Some employers sponsor work permits. Glints.com/sg. Good for tech, startups, and mid-level roles that sponsor S-Pass or EP. Step 2. Employer submits the work permit application. The employer applies online through the Ministry of Manpower system. They submit your passport details, job role, salary information, medical and background details if required. Step 3. Processing time. For most work permit and S-Pass applications, Processing usually takes 3 to 7 working days if all documents are correct. Some cases may take longer. Step 4, In Principle Approval, IPA. Once approved, the employer receives an IPA letter. This letter allows you to travel to Singapore. Step 5, Arrival and Final Permit Issuance. After arrival, medical check if required. Fingerprinting and photo. Work permit card is issued. You can then legally start work. Can you move with your family? Family sponsorship depends on visa type. Singapore remains one of the most structured and fastest work permit systems in the world. If you understand the process and apply correctly through a genuine employer, your chances improve significantly. Take your time, apply smartly, and always verify information from official sources. All official job portals mentioned in this video are in the description below. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.